Can you tell us a bit about Halo and what it does?
Typically, when an equipment supplier purchases a robotic system from Hine, it requires some form of integration at the customer level. The shipment could include a vacuum arm robot, an elevator, an optical liner system, and a complete I/O system that will all need to be configured and programmed by the customer, creating a lot of work on the front end. Since the handling system is not tested as a complete integrated system until the handler arrives at their facility, the customer must test to ensure all the parts are communicating successfully. We developed Halo to manage testing at the integration level. This gives customers a configure and ready-to-go solution right out of the box. Halo is used on the manufacturing floor to test Hine's equipment and is fully customizable to tailor and modify for customers' specific business requirements. It allows us to get our customers' businesses up and running faster and more efficiently with a product that is already configured and tested to ensure everything communicates properly.
What problems does Halo solve for Hine's customers?
Halo allows original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, to provide a fully functional control system to support Hine automation and OEM's equipment. Halo eliminates the disconnected analytic silos that exist within departmental entities or vertical tools that they use. Our customers get full access to information that affects their business. Halo puts testing back at the supplier level to ensure customers receive a high-quality product ready to communicate and be effectively controlled by their system computer.
Is there anything else that makes this software unique?
A few things that make Halo unique as a system controller is its ability to manage transferable recipes and process module configurations, integrate real-time and post-process charting, and its multi-view recipe editor.